If your Unity project looks like a mess and you can't find your game object, you are slowing down your progress. Today, we master the hierarchy window so you can build faster. Let's go. Welcome to Unity Daily. The motto of this series is simple, one concept at a time. Every day, we are going to master one specific part of Unity until you have the skill to build your dream game. Hit that subscribe button to join the journey and never miss a day. This series is massive undertaking. If you want to support this mission of free high quality education, check out the Buy Me Coffee link in the description. Your support keeps this video coming daily. Let's jump in a video. Think of hierarchy as a table of content for your scene. If an object is in your game, it means it lives here as a game object. Organization is key. So Unity uses a parent-child system. Think of it like a family tree. The top object is the parent and everything inside it is a child. When you move the parent, the children will follow. It's perfect for grouping a character with their sword or a car with its wheel. We can use this drop-down icon next to the parent game object in the hierarchy to see its children. A parent game object can have multiple children. Game object can also have nested parent-child objects. You can also reorder the game object by dragging them up or down within hierarchy. If you move, rotate or scale the parent, the children will follow automatically. We also have a toolbar at the top of the hierarchy. At right, it has a plus icon, which is a create menu button for adding a new game object into our scene. This plus icon allows us to create a new empty object or pre-made object to use in our scene. This plus icon button is a mirror of the first part of the game object menu in the menu. And you can also this menu by right-clicking in the hierarchy window. In this menu, you can choose to create empty game objects, 3D game objects such as a cube, sphere, terrain, and tree. You can also create 2D objects, UI objects, effect, lights, and other pre-game objects from this menu. I can guarantee you will use this too often if you work in Unity. We can have more than one scene open in the hierarchy window at the same time. It is used for multi-scene level editing. Next to plus icon, we have a search bar. This will help you to easily find the game object in your scene. You can search for a game object by using its name. You can also search the game object by the name of the component it contains. As your game grows, you will lose things. Use the search bar at the top so you can search by type. Type T followed by the component name like T:camera to find every camera in your scene instantly. It's a total lifesaver. If you select a game object that is searched by the search bar, at the bottom of the hierarchy window, the path of the selected game object appears. You can see that little eye and the hand icon next to the game object. These icons are not just for decoration, they are secret productivity boosters. These are quick controls for visibility and interactivity of game object in the scene view. Click the eye icon and boom, the object disappears from the scene view. Don't worry, it still exists in the game. You are just hiding it while you work. This eye icon is used to hide the game objects in the scene view. So you can remove visual clutters and focus on what are you editing without deleting or anything affecting your gameplay. Now the hand icon. This one is a lifesaver. Turn it off and the object becomes unselectable in the scene view. This one is used to lock section. When it's off, you can't click that object in the scene view. It stops you from accidentally selecting or moving the things like terrain, buildings or background props. These icons don't affect play mode. They don't change your game. They are just there to make you faster and smarter in the editor. The hierarchy window lists all the game objects in your scene and allows you to organize and sort with the ease. This is day 1 in the books. If you are following the daily challenge, I will see you tomorrow at the day 2 where we master the project window. If this video saved you time today, consider hitting that Buy Me Coffee link in the description. Every bit helps me keep this growing. Like, subscribe and keep creating. I will see you in the next one.